Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have a vent magnetic phone mount from Mpow. So what this is a phone mount for your car that hooks into your car vent so that you don't have to have anything on your windshield or have anything stick to your dash. And it holds your phone using a magnet. You can get these on Amazon in a 2-pack for only $7.99, so it's a great deal. And I was curious to see if it actually works. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Comes in a cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. So as you can see, it's pretty simple right here. On top, we have magnets that are put in your phone case. So if you have a case on your phone, you just add this to the back of it, and then that acts as a strong enough magnet to hold it to this magnet that goes into your vent using this little clamp right here. As you can see, these are 2 magnets right there, and that's apparently strong enough to hold your phone. I have a Pixel XL2, so it's a pretty heavy, big phone. I'm really interested to see if this will actually securely hold my phone. So taking a closer look at the actual vent mount here, it actually seems to be pretty well made. This entire body is a black rubber, so it has a really soft feeling to it. It doesn't seem like it's going to scratch anything. Also, the pieces that go into the vent are very rubbery, they're very soft. Nothing that I think would break your vents or add any scratches to your car. I don't think there's anything you have to worry about there. As you can see, there's a divide right there. That back part is plastic. It's a very small part that's actually plastic. On the front, you do have an Mpow logo. It does look pretty good. You could probably remove this with nail polish remover if you really wanted to, and I don't think it looks bad enough that you'd want to remove it really. So we also have some like clear coat stickers here. I'm not sure what this is for. Let's look at the back of the box for the instructions. So as you can see, this product is designed to be used with phones that have a case and also ones that don't have a case. So if you have a case, you can use the larger magnet by just removing this tape and then placing it to the back of the case. But if you don't have a case, you can use this smaller magnet that only fills up what is needed. So with that, you can easily just attach it to the back of your phone using this sticky tape, and then it doesn't take up too much space in the back and look weird, but then you can easily connect it to your phone. And it's actually pretty simple. It seems like you just attach this to the vent by sliding it in, and we'll show you that real quick, and then it's ready to go. Let's go to my car, let's get it installed, and let's see if it actually works. All right, so I'm gonna get it in my phone case, then we'll go to my car, we'll get this put in, and we'll see if it actually works. All right, so I have my Pixel XL2 here. I'm just going to remove the case. You'd want to make sure that this is a clean surface, that there's no dirt or anything that's going to loosen the glue and remove the magnet. All right, so I just will peel up this little white area, then simply attach it to your phone wherever you want it. So as you can see, not too thick at all, and it's very secure now. Then I'll just put my phone case back on, and the case fits just as it did before. No issues putting this on the back. Very cool. So as a quick test, we'll see if it can hold my large phone. So it is holding it, but it seems to be falling. So I think there's a problem here. This is not going to work for me. I'm not sure if it's because my case has kind of metal on the back to be protective. Let's see if I remove the case. So if I remove the case and just use the magnet, it doesn't seem to be a problem at all. I think it's that my case has some metal on the back, and that's what's kind of weakening the strength of the magnet. So I thought it would be good to provide a different test. I have a different phone here. This is my wife's phone, and she has a completely rubber. There's no metal on this case at all. So we'll see if this works the same way. All right, so I have the magnet placed on the back. Just gonna put the phone back in the case. Go ahead and close the top. So we'll do a quick test. And as you can see, this falls off as well. So one thing we've learned is that if you have a thicker case or a case that has any metal on it, this will not work. But if you have a very thin case or you don't use a case, this does a great job and the phone is held very securely. So let's go out to my car and see how we can install this. All right, so I'm in my Nissan Armada. I'm going to place the little vent mount in the vent. All right. So it goes all the way. It's kind of weird that the Mpow logo can't sit aligned. But anyways, I have my phone ready and I will just stick it right there. And as you can see, it's very secure. It's kind of weird if I go to grab the phone, the vent does move. It also blocks the entire vent, so no air will be able to come and hit me. It'll keep my phone cold, which is good because it stops it from overheating. But the fact that it's blocking the vent kind of sucks, and the fact that I can't use it with my case on it kind of sucks as well. And to remove it, I simply just pull it out like that, and as you can see, no marks or anything on the vent, no issues at all. So if you're going on a trip and renting a car, this might be a really good option for you because it's super small and you can easily pack it, and it's really easy to install and remove. So as you saw right there, the Mpow air vent mount is extremely easy to install, and it also works very well with most phones with two drawbacks. If you have a thick case or a case with metal on it, it may not be able to hold your phone, but it's extremely easy to install both to the phone and to your car. And if you have a thin case or you don't use a case at all, this is going to work great for you, and it's going to be very secure. Two more negatives that I have: it's going to block the vent, and if you go to manipulate something on your phone and this is on a vent that is able to move, your phone will move with it. So that's just a couple things to think about. If you have any questions about the Mpow air vent phone mount, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description so you can find this exact device on Amazon for only $7.99. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.